In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add full width images in Squarespace version. By the end, you'll have a clean edge-to-edge image section that looks great on desktop and mobile using only the built-in tools. Start by heading to Squarespace and signing in. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile to open your account options, then choose Account Dashboard. From the dashboard, select the website where you want to add the full width image. This takes you into that site's workspace. Click Edit Site to open the visual editor, where you can make changes to pages and sections. In the left sidebar, open Pages. Next to Main Navigation, click the plus icon to add something new. Choose Add Blank, then select Page. This creates a fresh canvas to work with, which makes it easy to see your full width image without other content getting in the way. Give the page a clear name so you can find it later or show it in your navigation if you plan to keep it public. Open the new page and click Edit to enter the page editor. You may see an additional edit prompt inside the canvas. Click that as well so the content tools appear. Now click Add Page Content to bring up the section chooser, then select Add Section. On the left panel, look for the Showcase category. These layouts are designed to highlight visuals prominently, which is exactly what we want. Choose Images. Squarespace will drop in an image-focused section that spans the full width of the browser. Next, select an image. You can upload a new file or pick one from your library. For best results, use a high-resolution photo, ideally at least 2000 pixels wide, so it stays crisp across large screens. Landscape orientation usually works best for a full bleed look. If you see options to adjust the focal point or cropping, choose the area you want to keep centered so the most important part of the image remains visible on different devices. JPG is a good format for photos. PNG works well for graphics with transparency. That's it. Your full width image is now in place. Preview the page on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks balanced. If you want to refine the feel later, you can revisit the section settings to adjust things like text overlays, spacing, or background behavior, but you don't need to change anything else to achieve the full width effect. You've successfully added a full width image in Squarespace using the built-in Showcase Images section.